be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right, now I got to bring you another one. I got this one from Foot Locker. I didn't even know these were coming out. All right, sometimes I just do a random search for some of my favorite shoes. There's an Adidas forum that I've been waiting on all year. It is the white and black high version. They advertised it, I want to say in January, and said it was coming out, and it still hasn't come out. I've been waiting on it. It's pretty much these, but instead of red, it's black. All right, white shoe, black everywhere else. I have been waiting all year on this shoe, on the white and black version, and it just is nowhere to be found. All right, so I'm cruising through Foot Locker looking for that shoe just in case it might have just popped up. I checked the Adidas app, I checked the confirmed app just in case. You know, there's the Adidas M&M Forum lows that just dropped. You saw my video that I just dropped on the Sky Rush Forum lows, but no white and black Forum 84 highs. That's what I'm looking for, like Adidas. When you gonna drop those? All right, but during my search, I came across these. All right, I came across these, and this is another pair that was announced around that same time. And these snuck out. All right, these snuck out. Gotta grab the shank. Gotta grab the shank. And I didn't even know these were releasing. So when I saw them, I said, I'm copping instantly. I have to cop right now. All right, very important colorway that I had to cop for these. All right, so these are available on Foot Locker. Let's go ahead and bring the box out. Boom. All right, and in the box, you can see the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. All right, so we'll put that receipt to the side. And boom, it's not the slide out box. I thought it was gonna be the slide out box. Whatever. And the plastic waist. Okay, that's what it says on the top there. And the plastic waist. That's different. That's not usually what it says on the top of these forums. It's usually this kind of box. It's usually the Adidas basketball. I'm fumbling. The Adidas basketball box. They switched it up on this one. Okay, but these are the Adidas Forum 84 high. All right, and these are white and off-white and like a sky blue. Okay, they do say they are basketball shoes on the box, and these are in the magical, the wonderful unicorn size, the size 13 and a half. I only have one other forum that is in this size, my true size, a 13 and a half. I only have one other forum in that size, and that one is this one. This is a 13 and a half. All my other forums are a 14. All right, let me verify that because this white one may be. What is this white one? This white one, clean, man, clean. Ooh, I like this white one here. What size is this white one? 14. 14 on the white. So yeah, the red pair is the only one that I have that is in the unicorn size until now. So let's go ahead and get into these. I wanted to wait. I haven't snuck a peek. I wanted to wait until I brought them to you all for me to see them in person, all right? But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ruff TV. Individually wrapped shoes, all right? Got your Adidas paper. Ooh, seeing a sneak peek now. Ooh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. The Adidas Forum High in kind of a white and sky blue colorway. The laces, if you can see the laces, that's not a straight white color. Those laces, that's not straight white. That's kind of, dare I say, off-white? Kind of like the midsole here. The midsole and the toe box are off-white. Everything else is that white. But these laces, that's a different color. That is a different color. But you can see, this is that sky blue. You have that blue on the stripes, and that's a different material there in comparison to the rest of the shoe. A little bit of that suede on the stripes there, but up here, this is that leather, and that's a good grade of leather. Nice soft leather. I'm sorry, nice soft leather. I'm touching the side where I can see the blue, but that's a nice soft leather right there. All right, those laces. What color is that? That's an off-white. It's closer. The laces are closer in color to the toe box than they are to the white leather that's going around. Man. And then let me go ahead and unstrap them there. On the tongue, you have your Adidas logo in that sky blue. And then on the back of the tongue, sky blue logo. And that blue kind of goes around. You see the logo there. And it goes around. All right. These came out nice, man. These came out nice. They are the off-white kind of color, like that regular white pair, because they didn't hit it with the bottom with the same sky blue like they do all the rest of them. Like the pink, the white and pink, they have pink on the bottoms. These reds have red on the bottom. My white and royal blue pair, they have blue on the bottom. These, they didn't hit them with the sky blue on the bottom. They just left it that off-white. So that's a different take on these. But the materials on these, man, the quality on these, man, I tell you what, man, these forums, these were a little bit more. I want to say these were $150, but the quality on these, Jordan 1 quality is not better than this. They're not. They're not. The average pair of Jordan 1s, they're not better. They're not better quality than this. But, and I love Jordan 1s. I absolutely love Jordan 1s. It's not me bashing them. I own so many pairs of Jordan 1s. I can just reach over here and grab a pair of Jordan 1s. You know what I'm saying? I love them. I absolutely love this model of shoe. And that's why I'm always comparing the two of these models, because this shoe reminds me so much of this. It's almost like this is Adidas's version of this shoe, right? But, and this is a bad example. This is that patent leather one. This is a bad example of quality. But the quality on $150, $120, most of the time these are $120. right? Most of the time, these Adidas forums are usually 120, but these right here were, I believe, 150. But the quality on these is so much better than the almost $200 pair of Jordan 1s, man. Like, why is the price that much higher on Jordan 1s? For what purpose? When the quality is not like this. All right, let me unstrap it again, completely take it out, take the paper out. Man, it just soft. It's not that stiff. It's a little bit stiffer here, but still, like, it's just not. Some of these Jordan 1s are super stiff around your toe box area and, you know, around the sides. They're super stiff. And then once in a while, you'll get that pair that's really soft and they look like this all around. All right. Nice padding going all around. These must be the Parlay or the Parley Forum highs. These got to be a special edition because these say in plastic waste on the inside. In the plastic waste on the inside as well. So these got to be a special one. These aren't just a regular Adidas Forum with, you know, just a different colorway. Let me research that real quick and I'll come back. Okay, so upon further research, when I looked these up, these are actually listed as the Adidas Forum 84 High UNC. They're not listed as a Parlay, or is it Parlay or Parley? Y'all let me know. But, you know, the specific ones that they do where they try to incorporate like plastics or anything into, they try to save and reuse the waste. It's just weird that it says that on the box and then on the insole it says in plastic waste, but that is a different kind of insole. I don't know if you all can see that. That is a different type of insole. It's not just straight the normal kind of insole that you have on a regular Forum. All right, the normal Forum insoles are just your regular straight up insoles, typical insoles that you would have on any kind of shoe. All right, man, these are dope. These have kind of, it's like a leather piece on the back half where your heel is, and then it goes into your normal kind of insole with the Adidas logos. But they emphasize the in plastic waste. But these are listed, if you look up the style code, the GW5924, if you Google GW5924, these are listed as the Adidas Forum 84 High UNC. So that's what I'm gonna roll with. All right, these are so dope, man. I love these. Did I mention that the stripes are a suede kind of material? I don't know what color these laces are, but they are not a straight up. They are not a straight up white. It's not the same white. Speaking of the laces, they come with 3 additional pairs. Here's a UNC color lace that you can throw in there to give it a different taste there. Then there's another one, another color, slightly yellow, Now these are closer to that off-white there. These are kind of close to that. But these are another one. Now this pair here is this is the exact same color. This is the true off-white one. So I don't know what is going on with these. That is not Unless my light is just looking at that wrong, that's not the same kind of white as the... Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? It's got a slight color to it. The laces here. It's kind of weird to me. But you get the laces that come on them, and then you get 3 additional pairs of laces that come with them if you wanted to switch it out. I do think that could hit. That could hit right there. Would that be too much blue? Would that throw off the shoe a little bit if I added these in there? Because that blue, that might rock right there. That might rock. I don't know yet. But man, these are dope, man. These are still available in a full-size run on the Foot Locker website. So if you have the Foot Locker app or a Foot Locker website on your phone, go ahead, and you want these, I recommend go ahead and heading over there and picking them up while they're still available, because these are just too sweet. And you don't want them to sell out and you not be able to get you a pair, all right? But anyway, I just wanted to bring you these, man, because these are so dope. I'm glad that I happened to be looking and caught them on the site, and I was able to pick up my pair. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. Did I mention the bottom? I didn't even show y'all the bottom. Look at the bottom. I smacked myself with the strap. Look at the bottoms. Typical Adidas form. Typical Adidas form. You got your Adidas logos there. All in the circles. It is the Adidas logo going around on every circle. And then in the center there, one is upside down. And then if you turn the shoe the other way, then that one's the right side up. You've seen that before. I didn't want to get too deep into it because I've shown this model so many times. But yeah, man, this is nice. Look up close on that material on the side there. Man, these are dope, man. If you can get a pair, go ahead and get a pair, man. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.